taken leave of them, he went off to the mountain to pray. When it was evening, the boat was far out on the sea, and he was alone on the shore. Then he saw that they were tossed about while rowing,
Galing na
for
po
the
ako
wind was
nagsindi
against
ng
them.
candle.
About the fourth watch of the night,
Tapos na yung
he came
misa.
toward them, walking on the
Ayan po.
sea. He meant to pass by
Ayan,
them,
nakapagsimba rin
but
ang
when they
nanay
saw
sa
him
unang
walking on the
Wednesday
sea,
ng taon.
they thought it was a ghost
Salamat
and
po.
cried out. They had all
Lagi sa
seen him
klolo.
and were terrified.
Ayan po.
But at once he spoke with them.
Lakad-lakad na tayo ng
Courage.
dahan-dahan.
It is I. Do not be afraid. He got into the boat with them, and the wind died down. They were completely astounded. They had not understood the incident of the loaf. On the
Lakad
contrary,
na naman ang
their
lola guys,
hearts
mag-umpisa.
were hardened. My dear
Pabalik
brothers
tayo
and
kasi
sisters,
hapon na, padilim na. Ayan, medyo madilim na, wala ng araw. Balik na tayo sa LRT para tayo pauwi na ng Valenzuela. Dito tayo sa Baclaran guys. Dahil una ng Wednesday ng taon 2026. Ayan. Nagabayan tayo lagi ng inalagin sa lolo guys. Yan. Palabas na tayo. Yan, ano muna tayo. Mag-rest muna kasi malayo pa yon. Mag-CR muna. Kasi malayo pa guys. Ayun yung airplane natin guys. Dumaan yung airplane natin. Ayan. Yung airplane. Dito tayo mag-CR. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, dami kang tao guys. Nakapila. Nakapila pa guys, daming tao. Pila-pila. Ayan. Ayan, thank you for watching. Pila tayo guys, thank you.